Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about building a new prison in Jamaica. Now it is estimated that it's going to cost $31 billion to build a new prison in Jamaica. Now we are giving you a tour of the Spanish Town prison. This prison was built in the 1800s, like most or all the major prisons in Jamaica. They are old. This prison was built in the 1800s. In the last 100 years, no new prison has been built in Jamaica. But you guys know what is happening in Jamaica. Public safety. So, do you guys think the government should spend $31 billion and build a new prison? Now, based on the population of Jamaica, Jamaica has about 3 million people. But Jamaica only has enough prison cells for 3,000 inmates. Maximum security. So that is less than 10% of the Jamaican population. That's about 1% of the Jamaican population that Jamaica has space for in its prisons. Now this is the main cell block for the Spanish Town prison. And then these buildings on the left are, everything we're looking at is a part of the prison. But these are just supports. I'm not sure if they house prisoners in these buildings, but that building on the left is the main cell block. These are just other buildings on the prison compound. So guys, what do you think? Do you think Jamaica should build more modern prisons? Or an even larger prisons? Now, I'm going to do somebody high ranking in the prison system stated, we cannot continue with these prisons. The cost is coming from 3 billion to 8 billion, and now we're hearing about 31 billion and counting to build a prison, with no serious moves to build any prisons. So we don't really have any serious impetus from the government to build any correctional facility. And I think these facilities will have to fall right down before they are serious about building a facility. So guys, what do you think? Do you think the government should build new prisons? Leave your comments in the section below. And I must say, for a structure built in the 1800s, this building has done very well. It is still being used. Now, I'm not sure how many inmates are housed in that prison cell, but it is okay. Well, these other buildings now they look like they've been built from the 1800s. Could use some rehabilitation. Alright, so guys, let us know what you think. Does Jamaica need more prisons? And as you noticed, the cost was 3 billion a couple of years ago, then it went to 8 billion, and now it's 31 billion. So if they're going to do it, they need to do it very quickly. The construction of a new prison has been a year-long thorny issue, with considerations given to the political consequences of funding a modern maximum security facility. The subject has again taken center stage following a disclosure by Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey that The incident in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon was facilitated from behind bars. So